haven't been completely honest with you guys. There's something I've been hiding, and I have to come clean with this. Someone caught me red-handed the other day, and I really just need to come clean and let you guys know that I've been lying to you. I have been crying all week about this, figuring out how to tell you guys that I haven't been portraying my true self to you, and I'm truly sorry that I haven't told you guys that these are my actual hands. Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Olivia, and today we're not going to be cooking, we're going to be creating. Oh shoot, how do I can't lift it. Hold on. And today I'm going to be making this gingerbread carousel using my real hands. Let's get started. Okay. Come on, little guy. Oh, it's working. Okay, so this, oh, no. Frosting. I have to frost with this.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started. Oh, wait. Gotta get the hair out of the way. Okay, here we go. Oh man, can I just dump it out instead? Oh, my hand! Someone put my hand back on, please. My hand fell off. It's gonna be a long day, guys. Thank you. We're back with my real hands back on. Okay. Oh no! Don't fall. Okay. The box. We should have a hand count, or like a count of every time my hand falls off.
Yeah, see if you can get this one on.
Okay. Trying to get my hand back on. Can I use my mouth? Is that cheating? Oh. That works. Okay.
Yummy.
Tastes like hands. Real hands. Coffee break. Okay, put that over there. Ooh! One of the reindeers already broke. This is a great day. We're gonna have a headless reindeer. How do I open this? Oh, it smells like gingerbread. Gosh. This is awful. Oh, no! Oh, my cheese nuggets. Don't you love watching me struggle and fail at life?
It's basically what your channel is.
You're the one that came up with this idea.
I know, I better be. Don't try this at home, kids. I need scissors.
Or a knife.
No.
What about a butter knife? Yeah.
Sure.
Try a butter knife.
I'll try my Cutco knife. Oh, my thighs are too thick for this. Oh, here we go. Okay, I have a knife. I'm so frustrated. I haven't even started. I give up. Hand open.
Now when I snap my fingers.
Now when I snap my fingers, it's magically gonna open. Snap. Snap. Yay! Come on.
It's like watching a turtle that fell on its back. Try to get up. I'm sorry.
And this is reindeer 1. I'm gonna name him Franklin. And this right here is Deborah. And this headless guy right here is depression. And his head will be anxiety. I will try to fix them and bring them together to be depression and anxiety. But for now,
Just go hand in hand.
oh, cheese nuggets. If I come at it at a higher angle, it might help me.
Should you be using algebra though?
Ew, I hate math.
I think it's more physics.
No one likes physics.
No one likes algebra.
I like algebra.
I almost stabbed myself. Also, like this video if you want to see more Tiny Hands videos. Oh, I did it! It's been like 5 minutes. I'm so happy.
I like donuts.
Coffee break.
This is a choice. It's long.
No! Okay, it's fine, it's fine. What if I can just like snap it on the edge? Like,
Karate chop.
I only have so much finger strength. How do they expect me to do this? Oh, okay, that's so much better. Okay, now for decorating. This is the frosting, and I have to mix it up to get it kind of like workable, you know? So I'm just gonna mix it up a little bit. Kind of knead it, you know? Just really work it in, get in there, pat it down a lot. This is actually kind of hurting my fingers. Like my real fingers. I mean, my pretend fingers. Because these are my real fingers.
Just thought your real fingers could bend all the way back.
Dude, I'm double jointed, obviously. This is so complicated. Hold still. Okay, we're gonna try something a little different. Just those. Come on. I'm gonna open this. I'm determined. Oh, it's not staying put. Get in my hands, bro. Why are you so slippery? Come on. Okay. Ah, I did it! I did it! Wait, did I? I did it! Oh, how fun. Oh, like, oh, it's good. Just like, but like, yeah, sick beats, bro. Sick beats.
DJ, mom and dad.
Hey, mom and dad. Hey, mom and dad. Dropped out to be a DJ. Kinda sick beats.
Call me DJ Tiny Hands.
DJ Tiny Hands in the house. You know, sometimes you always learn something new every day. But this exceeds everything I've learned from Zoom University this whole semester. How should I take this out of the... Oh, there's a rip right there. Okay, cool. There's a rip. I think I can just... Okay, it's needed. It's needed well. Should be so easy. Oh! I did it! Okay. Okay. I got the hole in the bag, and I'm gonna put the bag inside the piping bag as much as I can. So don't make a mess. Oh, come on. I made a hole. I know I did. Oh, it's so small. Oh, this is gonna take forever. I just put my face on it. Oh, did that work? No, it didn't. No.
I don't like this. This reminds me of that girl on Instagram that pushes her face into bread. You know what I'm talking about?
The fuck? She just. This isn't working. Ah, this is a good one. I thought I was just gonna work and just like be able to stab it. That's a good cut. That's a good cut right there. Nice cut, G. Thanks. It's like popping a giant zit. It's getting...
Ew.
It's coming out of the the little corner where I put it on the outside. Not the inside. Okay. This is gonna have to do for now. I think that was a waste of my time.
Like
Also, this is...
icing in there.
Shut up! I'm trying my best. Oh yeah, we're getting places, guys. Oh jeez. Wait, did I not pop the hole? I didn't break the hole big enough. I think I just tore it. Okay.
There's icing all over your face. I just noticed.
Is it really?
Yeah, it's all over your mouth.
Other product.
I taste it.
It does look
Okay. The decoration on the box is really cute. I'm not gonna do that. That, I don't have patience for that.
What are you going for with it?
I have no idea. But the hole is still like... Okay, maybe if I fold the bag down, it'll be easier to pipe. Yeah, I'm a genius. Okay. I can't do this. I just want to... I'm so frustrated. I got 2 little dots. Okay. We're ditching the piping bag because it's just not working. I'm gonna use this. Yeah. And I'm just gonna...
A whole new definition of finger painting. What?
Hi, Kyle. This is so much easier. Why didn't I start with this? Piping bag? Overrated. Who needs a piping bag? Okay. Just gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna try one. It's gonna be nasty. See it? Get over here.
Yeah, they always put the worst candy in gingerbread kits because nobody's gonna eat it. You need a trash can?
I can't tell if they tried to make it grape flavored or not. Now I have to taste them all. Oh, that's even worse. Ooh, should I color code them? How fun. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna do this one yellow. This is gonna be Deborah's. Just for Deborah. I love her. I can do purple for the next one. Oh, I stabbed a candy. That's okay. Oh, I think I stabbed through it. Let's go. Okay. One more time. 2 more times. 3 more times.
But it's like when they don't let go of the. It's like.
I did it! And it opened. Lello. Come on, little guy. I believe in you. I just need to rip the bag open more. Hannah. Please.
Oh, this is.
This one. Just open it.
Oh, oh.
I don't like touching this.
I know, like,
Gross.
I keep eating on my hands. And if I do.
How do you think I feel?
I need to rinse off
Wash
my
your
hands.
hands.
They're sticky.
Oh, I should wash my hands.
Yeah, take a minute. Wash all of this. Wash all.
I just washed my hair today. Okay, I'll wash my hands. Impossible. I'm your basic average girl. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree. Ooh, it's getting all sudsy. Okay, and then this one is purple. Put purple. And then this one, oh, I washed my hands for nothing. Okay, this one. I think this one is going to be red and orange because I don't have 4 reds and I don't have 4 oranges.
It's a sunset.
Yeah, it's a sunset.
Wink.
That was more of a blink than a wink, I just have to say.
No, bro, that's how I wink.
I mean, if you want to get technical.
Call me. I'm going to work on the reindeer. So I'm going to work on... What did I say his name was?
Franklin. Deborah.
Franklin and Deborah and depression. Okay.
Franklin,
Depression
Deborah,
and anxiety.
yeah.
Yeah. Franklin. I'm going to work on Franklin. And Franklin, he's a little troubled right now because he's like kind of stressed seeing family. It's been a while. But it's going to be okay. And he's gone to the store and he got a cute little Christmas sweater. So we're going to make him the Christmas sweater. Franklin's favorite colors are blue and blue. I'm going to try one. Maybe.
You always gotta see.
Now Laura's gonna take me to the dentist and I'm ripping my hand. And I'm gonna make his little sweater. Get out. He doesn't like yellow. It reminds me of his ex-girlfriend.
Plot twist, it's Deborah.
Franklin and Deborah dated, they broke up, and Depression was like, hey girl, how you doing? Also follow me on TikTok.
Or don't.
Or don't.
25%, really?
No, oh my god.
Okay, so this is Franklin. He has a cute little sweater right now. Okay, so Deborah, since she is now single again, she's really just wanting to be a thirst trap for everyone. And she's feeling confident and fun, and she has a cute little Christmas dress on, like the little Santa dresses, you know. And she's feeling just a little scandalous. She has a red lipstick going.
Ooh.
Like she's feeling herself. She's like, happy holidays.
We don't need no Franklin.
She's
Got
feeling-
depression now.
She's like trying to cover up her depression, but she's doing alright. She's killing it. She's showing her tushy a little.
She's doing better than Franklin.
She's
honestly.
cheeky.
Oh, she's doing a lot better. Than
Oh yeah.
Franklin.
She's doing so much better. We're gonna have her have a little red necklace. Okay, maybe not. Oh, actually, she's gonna have a green necklace for her red dress. She's just living her best life. She's going to a lot of Christmas parties with friends, having a grand old time. Ho ho ho! She's under the mistletoe all the time.
She carries on mistletoe with her. Okay.
She has it in her purse. She's flaunting it today. She's oh. She's ketos, like she's snatched. She does yoga. She has
Is
a
yoga
steady
like a
job.
thing like attractive people do? Is that
It's
considered
associated. It's associated. Yeah.
So does that mean if I keep doing yoga, I'll be attractive?
Hannah, you already are attractive. And this, ladies, is why we take notes from Deborah, because she is confident and beautiful and amazing and competent, and I already said that.
Also, Deborah doesn't push other people down.
Deborah is confident, she's powerful, and she brings other female reindeer with her. Period.
She got to squat.
You need to be Deborah.
Is she wearing a sweater or a dress?
It's a sweater dress.
Okay. So wait, are you gonna explain what happened to their relationship?
Honestly, he just wasn't cutting it. Like, he wasn't putting any effort in. He was just playing video games with his friends all day.
Reindeer games.
Huh?
Reindeer games.
He was playing reindeer games with all of his reindeer friends and would ignore her, and she was like, excuse me, look at how beautiful I am and how lucky you are to have me. And she was like, I don't need to waste my time with him anymore. I am better than that. And so she decorated her antlers yellow because it's her favorite color, and it's the only other color I haven't used. So she decorated them. Should she? And she has little yellow in her antlers because she's feeling very cute. Okay, so this is Deborah. She's bad and beautiful and gorgeous. And we love Deborah.
She's my favorite.
Oh my god. So I'm gonna put Deborah over here next to Franklin. And they're gonna like throw hands or something. I don't know.
Deborah's gonna win.
Deborah is
done.
Deborah will win.
Deb-
100%.
She may be
Deborah
comfy,
is-
but she can throw down.
Deborah's gonna clap some cheeks. Depression is just an empty void, an empty stomach. Depression just like,
Does depression use they them pronouns?
yeah. Depression is they them because everyone has it. And everyone is depressed. So we're just gonna kind of go crazy. Oh, it's not centered. That's gross. Still not centered. Oh man. Alrighty. Don't make me turn this car around. Close enough. Okay. So. Oh, I felt that icing in my hair.
Oh, I see it.
That's cute. And I realized I need these little rings to help stabilize the reindeer. So we're only gonna have one on each. Oh, come on. Oh no. It's stuck! No! Is it actually stuck?
That's what's supposed to happen.
So I'm going to now assemble. Avengers, assemble! Okay, I'm determined. I've come this far.
You got this, girl.
I need to do this. Oh, it spins. This is not. Hammer. Right here, right here.
I'm gonna get covered in frosting on me.
Yep. Okie dokie. And then this one. It's gonna go here. Yeah. And this one, the last one. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. This last one. Yeah. I wish I could sing. Oh jeez. Yeah. Oh wait. Oh no. No! Not my grip jump buttons. Oh wait, no, we're good.
We're touching hands. Ah, I got frosting all over me.
Good.
This shit ain't working.
Yes it is. It's fine. It has to work. Oh shoot. Hold on. I need to crack everything. My back. My anxiety attack.
Wait, you're a what?
My anxiety attack.
My friend who I was in marching band with, she'd say, my neck, my back, lick my cat.
No!
I told you it was gonna fall. You didn't listen.
Okay. We're ditching the tiny hands. I mean, my real hands.
But yeah, no, my friend would say my neck, my back, lick my cat and my rat.
I don't like that. I don't like that at all.
Yeah.
It fell.
What?
Okay. I think it's gonna lean together.
The Leaning Tower of Carousel Pizza?
Definitely.
Also, if you make this kit or another kit, don't eat the gingerbread. It's not safe. Okay, so now, oh, that's crunchy. And I'm just gonna stick it on like that. Oh geez. Okay. Oh man, it's like not gonna stick. Oh. Clubhouse Franklin and not Deborah.
I have so much anxiety watching you do this right now.
How do you think I feel? Oh, all these fell off my yellow one. Just gonna paint this on. This feels so weird with my pretend hands. Okay, and then go like this. Yep. Yup. That worked. Okay. Nope. And then depression and anxiety gets the purple one. I'm gonna do that again. That seemed to work. Stick that right there. And then
It actually stayed on.
it stayed on. Yo! Who just made a carousel gingerbread? Oh. Okay, that's fine.
It's okay. He's anxiety and depression. He falls apart all the time. Or they. I'm sorry. I meant to say they. Their anxiety and depression. They fall apart all the time.
Thank you.
I think you put that one right on top of the, yeah, like that, and you use it to put that one on top. And then I think you might need icing to get it to stick together.
Should probably use actual glue or tape, but I'm tired. This is the top of the carousel. Moment of truth. Dun, 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 dun. So cute.
It's crooked.
Wow! Hannah! Wow! I thought I was mean. Wait, sing, like hum a Christmas tune.
Also, you're spinning it backwards, like the reindeer are going backwards. There you go.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, I have lights. This is tingly. Ooh. Okay. I think. Oh, okay, just like that, and then. Oh, shut up!
That's
This is
actually really
cute. Look.
Oh. That's so cute.
I'm sorry, Deborah.
You
Is she
disrespect
okay?
her like this and then you let her fall?
Yeah, actually, yeah, she's fine. Circle it around. There we go. Anxiety and depression. I'm so sorry, love.
That's not anxiety and
Oh wait,
depression.
no,
that's
Deborah.
Not anxiety and depression's in there.
I'm sorry, Deborah.
Is she okay? Push it up. Can you like push it away from like the edge?
You should put the hands on the carousel.
You should.
Then it becomes a Halloween carousel. Halloween, Christmas. Nightmare Before Christmas! Ooh.
It took you so long to
Yeah,
get there.
that was a
That took
trick.
you so long.
That was a trick.
Look.
I did it! Yay! Oh my goodness. This is a mess, and I couldn't have done it without these guys. These guys. And it's a mess, and I had so much fun doing it, and I'm very happy with the way it came out under the circumstances. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more tiny hand videos, I'm definitely down. I think it was a lot of fun doing and filming, and I'm gonna go clean up because this is a very big mess. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Hit the notification button, that like button, leave a comment down below, and continue supporting. Ew, that's sticky. Okay. Final reveal. This is depression and anxiety, and Deborah. She looks fabulous under the lights. And Franklin, who's chasing Deborah.
Oh!
I actually didn't mean to do that, it just kind of happened. Also, I'm gonna go wash my hair again today because this is not cute. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna go eat some gluten-free Oreo cookies and watch a Disney movie and maybe cry. Bye. Bye.